get down to it, and what actually happened, and this is how I found out about these pistons actually reforging themselves, is the noise ended up being a piston slap. So it'd have a little oval right here. This is before they coated the piston, so you could really see it better. But have a little oval right across this area here. And pull the cylinders off, measure the cylinders, and they were, bore's supposed to be 3.498, and it was like 3.495 down here at the spigot. So it was tight. You know, piston wouldn't even go in there like that. Well, it would, because it was already reforged itself. So I ended up getting it out with a 5,000 over piston.